afternoon. It's about 2:30 right now, and I'm just leaving FedEx. And yeah, you guys, the launch went great yesterday. We got so much love, so much support, and I was just super excited, you guys. So I have a couple of orders I need to go ahead and package today so I can get them ready to go to the post office. And the babe was like, you know what, you should just go ahead and get you some business cards. Like, I don't think you should wait. And I decided, you know what, I'm like, you know what, you're right. We went ahead and just came to FedEx. She's like, let's just go to FedEx. They can print them the same day. We could just see what they have, blah, blah, blah. So that's what we did. We came to FedEx. So if you guys are looking for business cards, of course, if you're an entrepreneur, for whatever you're doing, you do need business cards. And of course, do it as you can afford. But FedEx is always an option. You can come here. Well, we literally I sat on the computer and just picked out from their pre-made designs, but you can create your own logo. You can upload your own picture and everything. I just decided to go with the pre-made one that they had set up. And you can have it where they print it in store the same day. We literally went at like 12 and it's 2:30 and it was ready like 45 minutes ago, and it was supposed to be ready at 4:30. So they were super duper quick and it was pretty affordable. It was $25 for 250 business cards, which is pretty good. But there's a ton of places you guys can get business cards. A ton, like where you can make your own and print them yourself. You can go online. There's a ton of different websites. So you just Google and, you know, so these are what they look like, you guys. Super cute. So I'm super excited to package my orders, and I'm happy now that I feel like it can be a little bit more complete. And it just has our website on there, and it says your favorite go-to shop for all things glam. And then it has our information, our Instagram, and it says thank you for your support. So I'm hyped, y'all, and we got 250 of them, so this should last me for a while. And even if I change them, I'll always have like some sort of something that is business related. So that's so exciting, you guys. So I can't wait to get home and go ahead and package my orders. I kind of wanted to stop at the store at Dollar Tree and get some gift bags, some cute gift bags, because I have someone that wanted to come and pick up in person. And so I'm like, if I'm gonna do in-person orders, I want to make sure that I'm still able to send you guys off with a cute type of gift bag, even though it comes in a cute bag already, like a satin drawstring bag. I just think it'd be a cute little touch to have like a gift bag, but we'll see, you guys. And then there's a Chipotle over here, and I really want some Chipotle. Like, I'm just craving it for whatever reason. So I think I'm about to go over there and get me some Chipotle. Just a better look at them. They're so cute. So don't mind my nails. We're doing these today when I do my dip powder. I ordered the dip powder because I don't have time to be trying to shape these, y'all. I don't have time for that. Y'all, are you guys emotional eaters or shoppers? Because I definitely am. Whenever I need like something to cheer me up, a good meal, or a good shopping trip will cheer me up, honey, for real. I didn't even have any coffee today. I should have went and got me some coffee or something from Starbucks, but I'll do that tomorrow, because I don't want to be having no coffee too late in the day. They're having those showings again at our place from 2 to 4, so it's 2:45 now, so by the time I get home it'll be 3 o'clock. Excuse me, only an hour left. So I got me a chicken bowl, y'all. I was gonna get a salad, but I'm like, nope, I got me a chicken bowl with a tortilla on the side and the vinaigrette dressing. If y'all have not tried the salad dressing, you're missing out. I used to work at Chipotle, though. It was so weird paying like, damn, it's $12 now. I mean, I did get in there in Kentucky, but still, my meal used to be like $6 because we would get 50% off, and it'd be free, obviously, if we worked. But if I just wanted to go to like anyone, it'd be 50% off. I mean, these used to be like glass. Like, what is going on? I like the little aesthetic now. Don't get cheap on me, and these things is $3. So anyways, y'all, that's it. I'm about to just go home, enjoy my food, and yeah, that's it pretty much. Go home, enjoy my food. I don't know if I'm gonna stop at the Dollar Tree. I might. I don't know. We'll see, y'all. So I'm just home, planning a little bit in my guys use stickers in your planners? I love them. Just makes me get excited about things. So that's what I'm working on. Just decorating, getting some things planned for the month and for the week. This is what my square looks like for next week. I'm gonna go through and fill it in. You know, I got certain things that I got going on, but I remember I tried to film my planning videos. I might bring them back. We'll see, y'all. But yeah, this is pretty much what I got so far. Later on, it's like 7:23 and I just got done doing my nails. I ordered a dip powder kit because I didn't really feel like learning how, honestly, you guys, to like go through the motions of like learning how to drill and everything like that with the acrylic nails. Like, it was just really not for me. So I'm like, you know what, let me try the dip powder, especially since I like my nails anyway and I like a gel manicure at home. So I'm like, let me just try it. So I ordered this one by Azure Beauty on Amazon. It was like 22 bucks, I think, and it came with a lot of stuff, y'all. And I actually really like it, so I'm just gonna show you guys a little bit about it really quick. I did purchase this with my own money, so I do like it. So I'm gonna tell you guys my personal opinion and show you guys what the nails look like. Okay, so first of all, this is how they look. I just did them on, this is just it on my real nails, y'all. And I haven't put any oil or anything on it, and this is just how they turned out. Hey, y'all, so this is how they turned out. And they were pretty easy to do, you guys. Honestly, I think they turned out pretty good. I used this color, which is the Azure Beauty Dip Powder in 51, and it's just the glittery one. And I just wanted to see like how it was to work with and to use. So it comes with 8 different colors, and they have a whole bunch of different sets that you guys can pick from as far as what colors you like. So these are the 8 that it came with, and it comes with these 4 steps. This is actually just to help clean your brush at the end, but this is the base. The base works really, really good. You paint this on, you dip it into the color and tap off the excess. It comes with a little brush for you to do so, and it was really easy to work with. And then after you do it, get it to the thickness you want, you put the activator on and use the gel. Honestly, you guys, it wasn't shiny enough for me, so I did use the gel top coat that we normally would use. I feel like, you know, I got to work with it still as far as like getting it with the shape and like drilling around it. It does advise that you do that, but as far as just like a normal little, I wanted to see how it just looked without me doing anything extra. And so far so good, y'all. So I would definitely recommend you guys trying it. You can definitely add nail tips if you want. Good morning, you guys. So today is Sunday. This morning, all I've done is I edited a vlog that went up this morning. And yeah, I have one more video to edit today. I'll probably try to get as ahead of the game as I can. But at least one more for my channel today that I need to film that's going to be scheduled for tomorrow. And I literally got a video ready to go. I mean, a video filmed for you guys to go up every single day this week. Like, I'm not playing with y'all. So yeah, that's pretty much all I did. Got up early this morning and I got straight to editing, so I'm very proud of myself. Now I'm just running. I'm actually gonna go get us some breakfast from McDonald's. Nothing spectacular. And I wanted to actually go to the dollar store or somewhere that has gift bags, and then I also need to get some more gloves because I got some orders to package, and I also need to make some more gloss, you guys, because we're sold out. Like the glitz gloss, which is the one I have on today. This is our crystal one. If you guys have not went and got a Forever Glam gloss, you guys are missing out, y'all. So anyway, this is just the crystal one. This is our signature plain. It doesn't have a scent, and it doesn't have a flavor, and there's nothing extra like added to it or anything as far as like decorative stuff. And I'm obsessed. But the glitz, which is our the other one that comes with like the pink butterfly mix in it, and it's also mint flavored, that one is sold out, y'all, because we had an order coming yesterday from somebody, and they ordered 3 of them, and it was our last 3. So I need to make a new batch, and I'm just excited, you guys. Like, this is just making me feel so good. I'm glad I'm having such a good response. and things are just getting better. You know, I'm really focused on what I want to do. Like, I posted a transformation video. I haven't talked about my weight loss in a long time, but if you guys are new to my channel, I have lost close to 100 pounds, and if you go back in my vlogs, you can totally see. But a lot of people do not believe me, especially people that have met me in the last 2 years of my life, because I've been this size for quite a while now, and till I show the pictures. So I made a transformation kind of post today. I just felt like motivating somebody and hoping that it could motivate somebody, and, you know, just letting people know, especially as I am trying to like rededicate and get myself more disciplined and more focused now. I think that that's encouraging for me as well, and it just reminds me, like, you've already done this, like, don't be so hard on yourself. All right, y'all, so I decided to go ahead and just come to Walgreens because I wanted to get a couple things. I needed one more thing that I needed for today's batch, so I need to just grab it from here. I don't want to go to a million different stores. I'm carrying my 9 West bag. I don't know, I think I got this from Burlington for like 30 bucks, but I'm obsessed with it. So yeah, y'all, this is my attire for my running errands today. I seen a meme that says, no one's seen you at your worst. Or something like, nobody's really seen you at your worst, or seen you looking worse than the corner store by your house. And I just made me like laugh, because I know I didn't went in there looking crazy. You hear me? Crazy. Babe got us this little thing for our date book thing. What is this called? A mini Polaroid. But she don't like how the pictures turned out because they kind of turned out bad. So I just took one in front of the ring light. Let's see. It's developing, y'all.
This how my picture looked.
But the lighting was bad.
But the light is on. Baby, not supposed to shake it.
Oh yeah. My little business cart. I packaged 2 orders. Now I got to do a pickup order. I have 2 pickup orders. Babe didn't like the quality of the 8. Newest one is the Insta X
11.
Mini 11. And that's what it looks like. So cute. And then we got some film, but the film is so bomb. It's the confetti one. Oh, you took it out. This one. So, yeah, y'all. We can't wait to see what the quality's like, and we'll show y'all maybe a comparison if you want to see. You're gonna do what, baby?
Take it right the fuck back.
If it's the same, cause this was, how much was this, baby? $70.
$70.
Yeah. All right. We back from the grocery store. Quick, grocery haul. So I'll start with these 2 things. So we're gonna make some caramel apples. We got these Rapples. Ooh, that's cute. They're just the little caramel pieces, and also comes with the sticks. And then Babe wants to wrap them in toffee, so we got a little Heath bar so we can crunch it up. Put that up there. And then we got some apple juice, orange juice, 2 things of the Minute Maid berry punches, a Minute Maid lemonade for Babe. And then also we got this Ready Whip nitro creamer. I'm obsessed with this. We got some lasagna. I'm making lasagna tomorrow. A box of buttermilk waffles, some Fruit Loops. We got some Ruffles, some picante chunky salsa, dill pickle, spares. We got some beer batter fish fillets. And we got 2 of these boxes of the mozzarella cheese stuffed breadsticks because they're so good. We got a thing of milk. I got this classic iceberg lettuce again. We got hot dog buns for chili dogs and sincerely honey wheat bread. And then we got some ginger ale, a bunch of different noodles. What are y'all's favorite noodles? Over here we got a thing of country crock butter, some English muffins. I got some of this dip for my chips, the Dean's French onion dip. We got some chili with no bean, hot and spicy. We got the hot dogs. I got these. I wanted to try these lemon waters by Nestle. We got these cookie dipped ice cream. I don't know if we knew that this was cookie dipped, but it looks good still. And then we got these. Y'all remember these? The smiley fries, mashed potato shaped. Anyway, we got some garlic powder, some green tea, Arizona green tea, some ground beef. I got 2 of these Meat Lover Jimmy Dean breakfast bowls. We got a taco kit, these maple flavored pork sausages. We got some broccoli, some chicken and cheese chimichangas. I wanted to try this, the cottage cheese that has the fruit at the bottom. So I got one with peaches, ricotta cheese for our lasagna I'm making. Babe got these for her hot Cheetos. We got 2 things of croissants, bacon bits. These are so good, y'all. These are Babe's though. We got some ranch. We're having steak tonight, so we got some steak. We got some chicken drumsticks, 2 things of cheese, 1 thing of mozzarella, Fiesta blend. I got some green grapes. We tried this Velveeta skillet chicken and broccoli. We're gonna see with that if we like that. We got 2 of these mashed potatoes, 1 loaded and 4 cheese. I got this French style cheesecake mousse. This looked really good. We got some 4 cheese classico sauce for the lasagna, cornbread, A1 sauce for the steak, croutons for the salad. We really like these. This is Babe's favorite right side, the cheddar broccoli. So we got 2 of those. We got these brownies. We love these brownies as well. And some hamburger helper, the stroganoff kind. We haven't had that in a really long time. I think that's everything we got. So I'm just getting ready to cook, and we got some potatoes, but I already put those in the oven. So that's everything.
We got some Henny, y'all.
And we're finna have us a drink, y'all.
Can't get away. On trees, beach views, and everything. All I wanna do is in a